In urban areas in the Goulburn Valley, when water goes down the plug hole or toilet, it enters the sewage system. Sewage, or wastewater as we like to call it, goes from your home and enters the sewer main. These pipes angle downwards to allow the wastewater to gravity feed through the mains. To prevent the pipes from getting too deep underground, the wastewater flows into pump stations. Here, a pump will draw up the wastewater and raise it up 2 pipes closer to the surface. This process happens again and again until the wastewater reaches the wastewater management facility. At the wastewater management facility, the wastewater is cleaned for reuse. The first step is to pass it through grates and screens. This strains the wastewater to remove objects such as corn and rubbish. The wastewater then flows through a series of lagoons. Living in the lagoons are germs or bacteria. The bacteria munch away on the waste in the water, breaking it down in the process. This is a natural and cheap way to make the water cleaner. Once the water has travelled through all the lagoons, we need to do something with it. Most is used for irrigating tree lots and paddocks. In some towns, it is also sold to golf courses and nearby farmers. Living in many of our paddocks are sheep. Each year we sell all the wool and lambs from our sheep, which helps to cover some of our operational costs. Water isn't the only product we're left with from the treatment process. When the bacteria break down the waste, they produce a smelly gas. Most of this gas is methane. In Shepparton and Tatura, we have a big cover over the first lagoon to trap these gases. The gas then goes through a factory that converts it into electricity, which goes back into the grid. We are also left with all the particles that settle to the bottom of the lagoons. We call this biosolids. It is a lot like fertiliser as it is rich in nutrients. As you can see, a lot happens after a simple flush of the toilet.